Hello everybody, welcome to the fifth and final community car build for the 1998 Honda Civic here at Wingman Garage. Welcome everybody to the fifth and final community car build for the 1998 Civic. Today's agenda is audio upgrades. The goal for today is actually pretty simple. It shouldn't take very long. Josh was cool enough to stop by earlier last week to help start running some of the lines. I wanted things to go really smooth today. So we started running the power lines and whatnot for the sub and the amp and getting everything hooked up to the radio behind the dash. We also wired in a really cool amp kill switch, so if the fuzz is on you, you don't want to be bumping too loud. And yeah, we'll just get it all fired up. We'll get it installed and hopefully be bumping some tunes today. So the sponsor for today's build is actually a customer of mine. His name is Tim. He donated this amp and the sub for the build today. So thank you very much, Tim. He loves the garage, he loves the community car build, and he just wanted to be part of it. All right, let's get to it. Actually, that's going to fit pretty well over here on the side of this thing. It's not going to take up too much space. Whoever gets the car is really going to love it.
We're about to mount the amp here to our subwoofer and then get the rest of it installed in the car and hopefully have some sounds here soon. Yep.
Okay. Well, you got to find where it goes. What if we poke something through there and then you grab it? All right, I got an idea. Here, get out of there. Got it. See it? But it is way up in there.
Not every day you find yourself upside down in a Civic, but on the days you do, it's going to be a good day.
All right, Charles. Very slowly and elegantly pull that wire out. Okay? Nice and slow. Yeah. Battery's got to go back in. Power wire connected to the battery. Fused. Safety first. And then we're going to
Put the trim pieces in, put the
trim
back seats back in,
seats.
and then the amp goes in once the back seats in.
Yeah. And then we'll hook everything up.
Yep.
And then we're going to fire up the tunes.
Yeah, sound a little bit on the back side.
To get to today is I'm making a nice wooden floor for it to sit on in the trunk because this is like old and flimsy and kind of, it's just wasn't meant for that kind of weight. Not that the sub is super heavy, but Cool. Yeah, we're getting close. Okay. Are we ready?
Yeah.
You got power on the amp?
All right, I got power. Try it now.
Okay.
But your wheels ain't flying.
I mean, come on. That's it. The build is officially kind of over, but you all did great today. Thank you for for helping us finish it up. Huge thanks to Josh for coming in a little earlier today and last week and helping getting the harder stuff taken care of. Thank you, man. I put new tie rods in. I also put a short throw shifter in the car. So crisp. New bushings in the bottom, throws. It's so nice to drive, guys. We put underglow on it because why not? I mean, come on. Whatever. I think that's pretty much it. Listen, y'all killed it today. Thank you very much for coming out. Let's give it up. You guys did great. Thank you very much. That's a wrap for the day. Audio is in, amp, the sub. As you heard, it sounds pretty good. Through video on YouTube, it sounds as good as it's gonna sound for you. It sounds really awesome in person. Everybody really loves it. And yeah, I can't thank Tim enough for sponsoring this build. That's it. We finished it up. Looking back on this build, it's hard to say if this one was better than the last one, but I think what I love about this one is that it got more involvement from the community. That's exactly what I set out to do when I first came up with this whole concept, was to get the community involved and the local businesses to help build something neat that we give away that just kind of brings more to the enthusiasts in our Northeast Ohio area. So I'm excited to see how this one turns out. Again, you gotta follow us on social media, Facebook, Instagram. You can even sign up for our newsletter on the website to get all the details about how we're gonna give this one away. And remember, Wingman is here for you. Anything from oil change to an engine swap. If you wanna get it done yourself, even if you just wanna learn how to do some simple automotive things, come on down to Wingman Garage and learn and have a good time. So I don't know if I'll see you here or at the Scavenger Hunt. Either way, whoever finds the keys keeps the car. If you need something, call Wingman.